How to put date and time on Instagram story. After you open up your Instagram now, swipe your Instagram to right like this to open up your story section. So now you can go ahead and tap on this section to record your video or take a picture, or tap on this gallery icon to upload. So I'll just go ahead and upload my image that I want to add to my story. I'll use this one. So after you select your image, as you can see now, here is my image that I want to add. Here is it now. Now if you want to add date and time, tap on this sticker icon. So now scroll to down and tap on this. As you can see now, it will give you the exact day. So here is the date. Now is today is Tuesday. So after you select the day, now go ahead and resize it. So after you resize, as you can see now, you can go ahead and resize the date like this. So now go and position your date. I will now tap add it in this section. So now if you want to change the color, tap on it. It will change the color like this. So tap on the sticker again. So now tap on this, as you can see now, time. So the currently time, as you can see now, you can tap on the time to change the location or the size. So after you select the time, now go and resize it as well. So resize the time like this. So I'll put the time in this section. So after you add the time in this section, now if you want to add the exact date, tap on this text. So now go ahead and type in the dates or the month, the name of the month. So today we are in April, that's 23 of April. So 2023 or 24. After you finish typing like this, now all you have to do now, go ahead and select the font and tap on this done. So now we can go ahead and add it in at the top. So as you can see now, I add my date and time. You can just go and spend your time and make it more beautiful than this. So tap on this share button. So you can go ahead now and share your Instagram story with this date and time. As you can see now, I share it. So now if I tap on my story, so as you can see now, here is my Instagram story that I just added. As you can see, here is it now. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.